There's so many artists that don't know how to get their stuff out there or have a place to sell it, how to go about doing it, or whatnot. I just want to be that middleman to help the world meet these wonderful artists that I've met. So why not do a project for it, right? So with that said, I'll let you know a little bit about what I've done the past few weeks. I've met with a few different artists, a lot of them that I've worked with before, some of them I haven't had the opportunity to, and I'm looking forward to it. But these are amazing artists, very amazing in the Dallas area, and I went around and I did a few interviews just so you can have a little inside scoop on all the wonderful talent that's here in Dallas. Like, it's amazing, the people that are here in this city. Hopefully one day, I'm hoping to be able to travel to all major cities and, do the same thing that I've done in the past 3 years that I've been here, just network and, get to know these artists, get to know their work, get to know their stories, get to know why they do what they do. I'm hoping I can make, a career out of this. So here's a little teeny tiny taste of it. Thank God for this project because I've been wanting to do something like this for a very long time. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy it. Be inspired. Reach out to these artists. I'm sure they would love it. And look out for their work because they're up and coming and they're doing big things here. So yeah, y'all enjoy.